What is the difference between referendum and initiative petitions? Imagine having a direct say in the laws that govern you. That's what petitioning the government is all about. But did you know there are two main ways citizens can do this? Let's explore how these processes work and what sets them apart. An initiative petition is a way for people to create new laws or change the Constitution without waiting for elected officials. Citizens draft a proposal, then gather a specific number of signatures from registered voters. The number needed varies by state but is usually a percentage of votes cast in the last election. For example, in some states, you might need signatures from at least 5% of the voters in the last gubernatorial election. Once you collect enough signatures, you submit the petition to the election office. If it meets all legal requirements and is approved, the proposed law or amendment goes on the ballot for everyone to vote on. If the majority votes yes, the law is enacted. This process gives people a way to push for change when they feel the legislature isn't acting on certain issues. A referendum petition works a little differently. It allows voters to challenge laws that have already been passed by the legislature. After a law is enacted, citizens can collect signatures to put that law on the ballot again, asking voters whether they want to keep it or reject it. For example, if a new tax law is passed and people disagree with it, they can gather signatures to hold a vote on whether to keep or repeal the law. The number of signatures needed is often similar to that of initiative petitions, and the process involves submitting the signatures to the election office for verification. If enough signatures are verified, a vote is scheduled. If the majority votes against the law, it can be repealed or suspended until further action. The main difference is when these petitions are used. Initiatives are about proposing new laws before they exist, giving citizens a chance to create legislation. Referendums are about reviewing laws already passed, giving voters the power to approve or reject them. Both processes requiring gathering signatures from registered voters and following specific legal steps, which often include paying filing fees and meeting deadlines. Knowing these options helps you understand how you can influence government decisions directly. Whether you want to introduce a new idea or challenge an existing law, petitioning gives you a tool to participate actively in democracy. It's a way to protect your civil liberties and personal freedoms by making sure your voice is heard in the lawmaking process. So next time you hear about a new law or a proposed change, remember that you might have a say in whether it moves forward or not through these petitioning methods.